Hello fellow YouTube humans, it's the Poo Guru again, and I've got some amazing news, and I don't know if this is just coincidence or what, but I'm going to show you guys something other that I find just astounding. So I found this recipe for weed killer, I guess is what you call it. It's a everything killer if you're not careful, but it's made out of 1 gallon of vinegar, 2 cups of granulated Epsom salt, and roughly a 1/4 cup of dish soap. You know, a decent dish soap will do you good. So now I sprayed this about 10 a.m. yesterday, so this is probably about 36 hours old or something to that effect. So what I'm fixing to show you it just blew my mind. So check this out, folks. You know, maybe 36 hours old, might not even be that. Look at what it's already done to the grass. So that's around a couple pipes. All right. This is around the well house here. Okay. Look at it. And I hope you can see the color change, you know, the differences here. Check this out though. I'm gonna get a long angle on this guy. Now this is my raised bed where I'm trying to get compost in here to grow, you know, a few vegetables here and there, just cause I can. So, but I sprayed this yesterday. I don't know if you can see the color contrast, but it is, I can. I really hope you can. So, but yeah, I'm trying to fill this up with compost here and get a few things growing if I can eventually, like I had back a while back. I've got, I don't know if you can really, that guy right there, that's a potato plant. And I got a few more scattered around in there in the most dirt-like of the compost. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but check this out. I'm gonna shut up for a second. It's all crispy and crunchy. It's pretty neat. Yeah, less than a day and a half old. Like I said, it was about 10 o'clock yesterday, so at 10 a.m. this evening, it'll probably be about, that'll be 36 hours, so well after dark. Anyway, bright light on my camera here. This is the Poo Guru. I know it's been a while, but y'all are going to start seeing more videos from me. I can't look at that light directly coming off of my camera to phone, but so just bear with me. Y'all just keep doing it to it, and we'll keep putting videos up on our end, and I'll show you a few more cool things eventually whenever I get a few more cool things built. So got to flesh out a few ideas. Got a lot of things I want to talk about. Got some very interesting and deep subjects I want to touch on, and I only want to touch on them because, you know, I don't know much about them yet, but we'll get into that later. Y'all keep an eye out for my next videos. I may be posting, you know, snippets here and there, just filling up my random video folder with who knows what. So keep your eyes peeled, keep your ears open, stay safe. Poo Guru out.